Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. But today we're going to be talking about the newer version of the Letsfit fitness tracker smartwatch, which will track your heartbeat, measure your sleep, measure your steps, calories burned, things of that nature, heart rate. Well, this one in particular has music controls. This is the model number ID205L, but we're going to be taking a look at the model number IW1. So let me just show you what I'm talking about right here. So the model number that I'm wearing on my wrist right now is this one. This is the one that was released before the newer one. So we have the newer box on the right and the older one right here. And you can see you can get this for $10 off and save an extra 29%. So it's like literally $19 or something like that. But this one is a 24-hour sleep tracking status fitness watch. You can track monitor your swimming, your workouts. It's also waterproof, Ip68 waterproof. So we're gonna take this off and I'm gonna show you the newer model, which will also, this one has music controls, but the newer one will have blood and oxygen. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So when I go into, this one, it does say it's got the blood and blood oxygen. So on the older model, let me just show you, it did come with the Very Fit app and the user manual and the charging cord, which I actually have set aside inside of a bag so I don't lose it. So let me put this box off to the side, but this is the newer model right here. Right here it says that it's $33. You could save an extra 15%, so $60 off. So it's like 20-something dollars or something like that. And then you get 14 sports modes, GPS tracking on here, blood oxygen, tracks your sleep, blood oxygen saturation. And you can get your alarms, your sedentary alarm as well. And you can see the incoming calls and you can reject them as well. So it does say that this is supported on iOS and Android. And it does give you about 30 days on the device. Standby time is about 2 hours just to charge it as well. So it's the Very Fit, the Very Pro Fit app, and it has your sleep tracking and blood oxygen. This one might have music controls in it. Yeah, it does have music controls in it. So let's go ahead and open up the box real quick. So basically, the box is pretty cool. It's a white box. It says it's the black one, and you can see right here the Letsfit IW1 in black. So it's the newer model, black on black. I'm gonna cut the tape on here. Let me see if I could get that out. Alright, cool. So this is what it looks like when you first take it out. And you can see right here, this is a nice matte black strap. I really like that. You also do get it says right here, function button on the front of it. Letsfit is, the button is actually, instead of it being a dial, it's like a straight up button on here. So it's like kind of like a steel gray, but it has like a deep gray color to it. So it's not like completely like silver. It's kind of like black on black silver. So take that off. This is the power button, it says. So I'm gonna go ahead, hold that down. So it says right here we can start in English, but you also get Dutch on here as well. So English and Dutch. And then it says go to the Letsfit app on your phone and scan the QR code to pair the watch. So let's see what right now. We can go ahead and see if it has the same application. Where's my phone at? I have a QR scanner app on here, right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. So let's see what else comes inside of here. We're gonna open up this package as well. All right, you get this cord right here, which will actually charge it with the charging pin. You get a 1-year warranty, and you get a sign up to get more benefits on the official website for promotions and more. So you can get those here, and the 1-year warranty card is like inside of here as well. And let me see. So we got your user manual right there. The platforms. So that charges like that. It just snaps on, and then it says right here that it's charging. It's at 92% right now. So right now it says that your Letsfit ID can be used across all Letsfit services. So let's just, put my email in here. And hit continue. Then it says to enter your gender, your height, and then it says to enter your weight and everything like that. I have the calendar at the top. It says email not verified, resend email verification. But you have your calendar here at the top, so you could look at the days that passed by, things of that nature. Workout minutes, active hours, steps, heart rate, resetting heart, calories burned down here, distance, sleep on here. When you look at the watch, let's long hold to here to get some more clocks. Okay, so that's not how it works on this one, but if you swipe right, you have your workouts. Today, blood oxygen, heart rate on here. You can swipe down, you get a little Zen feature where you can meditate. Timer that helps you relax. You also do get stopwatch and alarm clock. Music controls is on here too. You have general about the system, do not disturb, raise to wake, night mode, power savings mode, the brightness, the intensity of the vibration, the screen off time. You do have, the watch faces here as well. So there's 1, 2, 3 of them here. So hopefully you can download more than that, but I'm going to use this one right here. And so you have that, and then you have your walking time, distance, and sleep record right there as well. So your messages is going to be when you swipe down, and when you swipe up, you can see all these features right here. You got the night mode, and then you got, that just helps it dim at nighttime. Then you got the do not disturb mode and the lift to wake mode right here as well. So all those features are on here. Training modes are here, and you have your my devices, so you can see that you have actually added that device. So the Very Fit app you won't really need anymore, the Very Fit Pro app, but you do have app settings where you can change the app language to Dutch, Japanese, Spanish, French, Italian. You do have background processes on, permissions as well from Google Fit. And the other thing that's pretty cool is it does have all the activities on this main screen on your phone. So I definitely think that this is pretty cool so far. I'm gonna put it on my wrist and try it on. Get back to you guys like in a few, but it looks like it fits really nice on my wrist, and it has that loop When you put it on, you snap it on right here, and lift to wake is working. It's a pretty beautiful screen size here. You can always customize the brightness as well. On this guy, you have your blood oxygen. Let's see what happens when we do that on the blood oxygen. It says, please wear the watch close to the skin and keep it still for measurement. So it's measuring my skin for the blood oxygen. So I got a 99. That's not bad. It says still measuring though. Alright, that was my score, is a 99 on here. So let's check out what the app is doing. Let's see if that's synced up yet to the app. It says synchronizing right now. And it actually says that my heartbeat is 94, and as my heart rate averages, I don't see the blood oxygen on here, right on the phone, but it's actually pretty cool. You have a lot of good features on here as well. Distance, sleep, calories burned. I'll get back to you when I have measured some of that stuff as well, but this is pretty cool. I like how they have their own app now, which is pretty sweet. So let me know what you guys think down below. This is the Letsfit IW1. It's about $25 with all the codes that you can get down below, and you get sleep tracking, you get heart monitoring, blood oxygen and blood as well. So this is pretty cool. But let me know what you think about the Letsfit IW1, and I'll get right back with you later. Good, peace.